Are we opening the source code to a review by local watchdogs?
Why local watchdog? We are opening it to review to all people interested in the review. But this will have to be completed after election already. Hindi na ho matatapos ngayon. Kasi hindi naman mabilis ang source code review. Tapos na ho yung source code review ng CCS. Uumpisahan na nila pagdating yung source code review ng PICOS pag dumating na Dominion. At itutuloy na lang nila after the election.
Sir, ano kung may tutulong ito sa 2030 elections?
Which one?
Ito, sa credibility, building, whatever. Itong
Once the source code is here, coming from Dominion itself, then the credibility issue is wala na. Nil. Wala na yung mga may ingay na sinasabi wala source code, nandiyan na.
You mean wala nang batikos?
Hindi naman. Meron pa rin kasi hindi naman nauubusan yung ating mga kaibigan sa labas ng batikos. Pero sinasabi ko lang, yung ingay, the only reason why I have been very, very quiet, not much, is because I have been continuously negotiating for the source code. Ang hindi ko lang naintindihan sa mga kaibigan natin sa labas, ang iingay nila, not knowing that yung ingay nila, maski paano, naapektuhan yung negosasyon ko.